After making my coconut porridge, one of my good followers, BR Kelly, man, that there was an easier way to crack the coconut. She said, put it on the stove, make it stay for 1 minute. Pick it up with a tongue. You know the thing that them using in the kitchen when the things them hot for lift up. You know what I'm talking. Anyway, she said, drop it in some cold water and the meat will just pop right out. I was intensely watching the coconut to see if that really going to happen. After all, it just looked like the coconut that burned up on the stove. After turning it around a couple times with my bare hands, I honestly was anxious. I don't even know if it was a full minute. I threw the damn coconut into the cold water. Start watch if the meat I got jump. Notice that the coconut cracked by itself. Slightly start dig off the top. To my surprise, the top popped right off. With ease. Start do it again. And whoa, the side come off too. Started to get excited. I was presently surprised until me noticed me couldn't take off no more shell. So me do what